In this Photoshop tutorial, let's take a look at how to type vertical text here in Photoshop. So if you press T, that is the type tool. If you click and hold on the T in your toolbar, you're going to see that the default is horizontal type, but you can also do vertical type. So we click on vertical type and we click on our document and it's going to create a new vertical type layer. So I could type something in here like the word vertical, and then I can go back to the move tool and I can move this around. Now, all of the same text effects apply here, but you might have to change them. So like if you don't like the spacing between the letters, press T for the type tool, click in here. You can press Command or Control A to select all the text, or you can click and drag to select whatever you want. And then we would pull something open like the character panel, and you can see here that we might need to adjust something like the text or the character spacing between the letters now that it's vertical. However, let's go back to this. If you already have something typed out here that is horizontal, so let's get that horizontal type tool. Let's just type something here like the word vertical again. You can see in this actual instance how different the text spacing is for vertical versus horizontal. So I needed to spread the letters back out for that horizontal type. But if you have horizontal type already, you can actually select that layer. So select that type layer and then go to type, and there's orientation right here. So you can switch between horizontal and vertical text that quickly and easily, just like that here in Photoshop. Now, one of the things about vertical text is if you get to the end of it, so like if we're at the bottom of our text here, and we press the return key, and we start typing a second line, that returns to the left. So it's going to be like if you want it to be to the right, you need to, put this text on the left-hand side of this text. But all in all, this is how to type vertically. This is how to make vertical text here in Photoshop. Now, another thing that you can do, if you don't actually want the letters to turn, so let's say we just wanted this text, we're going to type out vertical, and we maybe wanted to rotate this so it's running along the edge, but it looks like normal. We would press Command or Control T to transform this, grab a corner here where you see the double-ended arrow, and then just rotate that. And then to get it perfectly 90 degrees, we can hold Shift. That's going to lock it in to 90 right there. And then we press the return key on our keyboard, and that's how you can make text that's more rotated rather than the letters individually being rotated. Now, the other thing you can do when you have that selected, or actually when you're transforming that, so we have the move tool selected, we press that Command or Control T, so we're transforming it. You can see that as you turn it here and as you rotate, there's actually some rotation degrees up here, so you could type 90 in there to rotate at 90 degrees. In this case, we're rotating it back negative 90 degrees to go back horizontal. But anyway, that's two different ways that you can type or make vertical text here in Photoshop.